unfortunately, as you guys can see from the dashboard, the Camaro does have a check engine light. Right now is P. Hold on one second. All right, so like I was saying before I got distracted, the code is P0430. I had the exhaust checked because a lot of people said it could have been an exhaust leak. Do you think it also has a leak? Because when I rev it, it has a fluttering paper sound. Like
well, that leak is here. You see this block?
Yeah.
That's where it's leaking. So, okay. And you're not, the clamps never seal right. What you can do is take those clamps and weld it. That'll solve that. I
went to a muffler shop. I fixed the exhaust leak, or they fixed the exhaust leak. But another thing that could be wrong is the catalytic converters. So I'm not too sure. The shop was telling me the cats are running hotter than normal. Yeah, the check engine code was saying like bank 2 or passenger side, I think.
Yeah, but the that's going to be the catalytic converter.
Yeah, it said P0430, something with the catalytic converter.
Well, what happens is you got 1, 2, 3, 4 cats. They're hot. Put the temperature gun on that wheel.
Yeah.
They're supposed to be 180, 200 degrees. If they're over,
you're saying the cats are hotter than usual?
Clogged.
Oh.
If they're clogged, that's it. You're running a lot of power through this thing?
I mean, it has a...
It's supposed to be 1 foot away, but 350 degrees on this one.
I mean, I don't know what the normal is.
The normal, look, 500 degrees. The normal's between 180 to 220, even when it's hot. These things are clogged. 378. Look at that. 400. They're clogged.
Like the temperature was like between like 400 or 500, and he was like, the temperature normal is like 1 and 2. But I don't know how true that is, guys, because you know, when I looked up the normal operating temperature of cats, 500 was like the low end of normal temperature. So, but I don't know. The check engine light, you know, I cleared it after fixing the exhaust leak, and literally the light comes on. Let me make sure I know where I'm going on that. The light comes on like less than 5 miles of driving, so it's pretty quick.
Route 826 North.
The light is pretty quick to detect, or the car is pretty quick to detect the problem, man. You know, so you know, it could be the cats are bad, because I don't know what else could be causing this. I even thought I screwed up because you know, when I was cleaning up my intake, I thought I broke a tube or something, but you know, that wasn't the case. But anyways, we'll figure it out, man. I'm not stressing. The light had me down. You know, just seeing a check engine light on my car, whether it's serious or not, you know, can kind of offset my mood. But yeah, man, I mean, we'll get it taken care of, man. You know, so the videos must continue.